ओम तत्सत दाता याद है. I wasn't actually sure about, not only sure, but I didn't even know that I'll be talking about terrorism. I'll be talking about sufferings of human beings. When starting this journey years ago, the journey seemed to be beautiful. That I'll be talking about peace. I'll be talking about harmony. I'll be talking about bringing the world, the humans, the religions, the boundaries to come closer, to achieve or help me achieve, or help the universe, help the whole world, help the whole earth come closer as one. You know, I'm talking about the vision I have created, I have thought for the whole humanity. And I've said that several times, that it's not possible in my lifetime, in this lifetime of mine. But visions are visions, no matter when. It has to have an objective, it has to have a vision, it has to have a goal, it has to have something which is the biggest ever you can think in your life. Whatever your goals are, really, doesn't matter. Whether it's political, it's commercial, it's spiritual, it's social, whatever. It really doesn't matter. Doesn't really matter. One day, I spoke about Behelgam yesterday, and I think I finished talking around 6 o'clock. And I'm not saying that, that the night attack happened because of that. It's a stupid thing to think about, but yes, it did. I don't know from where that consciousness came. And I thought today itself, it should be recorded after almost 1 year. Almost. And must be posted today itself. 7 o'clock it was posted. And after 6 hours. See, my view is not just the view, but it's a pain. It's a pain, it's an absolute pain. That how humans can kill humans. Are you animals who belong to a different caste system? Like the, elephants fighting with lions that fighting with tigers, that bird is fighting with someone else. The different species are fighting against another species. But what the hell you are going to do? What the hell you are doing? And what the hell you have done in the past? The same species fighting not for the, against the, again. When I say for the, I also mean at the same time that they think it is for the what they think, but it is against. I have observed, I have realized, I have seen with my naked eyes in this birth, how animals protect their kids, how birds, they protect their kids. And what the hell we are doing? asking somebody's religion and killing them. Do you know what your religion is? Do you really know what your religion is? No, you don't. Because you have been taught what your religion is. You actually don't know what your religion is. And that's the shame. That's the shame. And then checking whether you are lying or not. What it means that you need to belong to our belief system, because your belief system is wrong, isn't it? That's a pain. I think let's get out of it. Let's get out of it. I think in extreme pain, I don't know whether I should say or not, but it's better to be born as animals and birds who protect their own beings rather than taking birth as humans. Om Tat Sat.